Make a spectacular spinner with just 2 plastic straws. Take a 4-inch straw and fold it in the middle. Now snip the folded ends with a scissor, first the left and then the right. Now on unfolding the straw, you will see a neat diamond-shaped hole. Take sticky tape and seal both ends of the straw. Trim the extra tape. Then snip one corner of one end to make a small hole. Snip the diametrically opposite corner on the other end of the straw. The spinning propeller is now ready. For the blowing pipe, take half a straw and make a V cut at one end. Now the straw spinner is ready for spinning. Place the V notch of the blowing straw inside the propeller, shut that end of the blowing straw with a finger and blow hard. The propeller is spinning in all its glory.